Thank you, Mr. Wenju, Vice President of Huawei. Let me first thank you for inviting us to dinner tonight. You know, we will only be here for 2 days. We're meeting up with the Premier and the President tomorrow, and we leave on Thursday on our way back home. So it'll be a very short stay, but it'll be a very busy stay. But we thank you for honoring us with this dinner. As you've said, we've started a few years back on our ICT back home. We on our way to being the first country in the Pacific to have a broadband policy. But we thank you for honoring us to investing in Fiji. Thank you for the offer to come and invest in not only in Fiji but in the Pacific. And we've, in addition to that, to the ITC in Fiji, you know, we've started telecenters around the rural areas, which has helped our rural people connect to the international community. But for tonight, I want to thank you for honoring us with this dinner, and hope we see you in Fiji in Suva soon. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Well,